Shalom, my name is Moses. I'm going to show you how to project your laptop screen to another monitor while you are working on the same laptop. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button for new videos. Thank you. First of all, you go to the taskbar. Below the taskbar where the notification button is, you hit the notification and open the pop-up menu. You see project. When you see three categories: extend, duplicate, and second screen only, you choose the second one, extend. After you are selecting it, you come to the desktop. Now select the program that you want to extend to the second monitor. So after opening it, you drag it to the left side, your right hand side. You can do this while you are working, while your kids are watching videos on YouTube. So now you can open the video here. Okay, let me see. Videos for kids. So videos for kids. So now you select one of the videos. So your kids can watch videos while you are working on a laptop. So after that, you come and select program what you want to do on the laptop. Like this, you select the program. So I want to use Word. So now I can use Word to do whatever I want. I can insert anything that I want. If I want to use tables, I can do everything here. Like this. So this is how I wanted to show in this tutorial how to project your laptop screen to another monitor while you are working, while your kids also with you watching videos on YouTube. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you.